Hello and welcome to Wolfe Canmore. Today we're looking at a Chevy 1500 Trail Boss. Our 2021 Trail Boss is nicely appointed with power windows and door locks. It has a Bose sound system, has leather seating, heated leather seating, automatic headlights, cruise control, air conditioning, Bluetooth for hands-free. This Chevy Trail Boss has a 5.3 liter engine paired with our 10-speed automatic transmission, has the Wrangler Autotrac tires, has a spray-in box liner. It also has a spacious rear passenger compartment that seats 3 and also the Chevy molded rubber mats. Thanks for shopping at Wolfe Canmore. If you have any questions about our 2021 Chevy Trail Boss, please give us a call at 403-678-4222. Thanks and have a great day.